I rendered that video on the timeline of Davinci. It's here, open file location. The video has no thumbnail and it's unreadable. Right click on it, properties, details, no video, no audio details. I'm rendering again, and the difference is that I made some space on that drive, on that D drive. Before on the D drive was 0 bytes free, now we have 57 gigabytes of free space. And in a few moments this should finish. And voila, this time we have a thumbnail. And the video is usable. So just in case there is no free space on your hard drive, the program does not say anything, but the final file is unusable. So free up some disk space and the rendering might succeed.